Hey you guys, so I just got my pre-Black Friday order from Simply Earth. I am really excited to share it with you. Yeah, I got to order a little early and got like 25% off of everything. So I want to share this with you. Okay, so I got some car vent diffusers. So we got a couple of them. You put the oil there and then they clip onto your car vents. So let me show you one. Here we go. So here they are. You can see. And they say Simply Earth on them. They're really nice. I really wanted to get them for our cars. I ordered some containers. I ordered 5 containers actually. I'm going to start making some of these lotion dots and I'll show you what that is. So I have 5 of those. So this is a lotion dot container or a mold. You make lotion that actually solidifies into little dots, and these are the molds for them. So I got that. It's got a scraper to scrape the excess off the top. I got a bottle of Perfumer's alcohol. I've been making my own perfume with the fragrance oils, the cleaner fragrance oils. Love, love, love them. Got some oils. Let's see. I got the new oil called Blessed, the oil called Homebody, Mountain Spruce and Palo Santo. I think I'm missing another oil too. I'll have to look. Hold on. I was supposed to get the oil Sparkle. I'm gonna have to get with them about that, because I did not get that. But yeah, anyway, what I'm really excited about is the new diffuser that's out. Guys, it's a disco ball. Are you kidding me? And it actually turns. So I think this is the Sparkle Essential Oil. Hold on. Let's see. Sure is. So I also got the new essential oil called Sparkle. So, yes. So anyway, I'm very excited about this. Hold on. I'm going to plug it in because, are you kidding me? A disco ball diffuser. This is going to be the best thing ever. All right. Let me, it's all twisted up. All right, let's see if I can do this as twisted up as it is. This is so adorable. Where does this go? Here we go. So here's the light. Check it out. Are you kidding me? This is adorable. Anyway, it changes colors. It goes around. Disco ball, put a light on it, and I can see the lights going around in the room right now. Anyway, that is, oh, it's got a bunch of different colors. There you go. Anyway, that is my Black Friday unboxing from Simply Earth. I just had to share it with you all. Anyway, I will leave you a link and you can use that and order for yourselves as well. And happy Thanksgiving. Take care.